Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the Challenger MT900 Series 2025. Today, we are bringing you an exciting first look at the Challenger MT900 Series 2025 model. This powerhouse in the agricultural equipment world continues to deliver top-tier performance, advanced features, and a bold new color scheme for 2025. Designed for those who demand maximum efficiency on the field, the MT900 series promises to take productivity to the next level. Let's explore everything it has to offer in terms of specs, features, and enhancements. The MT900 Series 2025 stands out with its impressive visual update. The new color scheme gives the tractor a fresh, modern, and aggressive look, setting it apart from previous versions. But this upgrade isn't just about appearances, there are performance enhancements that ensure farmers can work smarter and more efficiently. One of the highlights of this series is its powerful engine lineup. These tractors are equipped with robust and fuel-efficient engines designed to handle heavy-duty tasks with ease. Whether you're plowing, tilling, or hauling, the MT900 series ensures optimal power delivery, even in the toughest conditions. The series also boasts an advanced power management system that helps to reduce fuel consumption, which is a significant advantage for large-scale operations. When it comes to comfort and usability, the MT900 series doesn't disappoint. The spacious and well-designed cabin is built to provide a stress-free operating experience. With ergonomic controls and state-of-the-art technology integration, operators can easily monitor and manage various functions. The high-quality seating, climate control, and reduced cabin noise further enhance comfort during long working hours. The tractor is packed with advanced technology features that set it apart from competitors. Smart connectivity options allow farmers to track performance data in real time and make informed decisions. Precision farming solutions are integrated into the system, enabling more accurate seeding, fertilization, and harvesting processes. The MT900 series also supports remote diagnostics and software updates, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Another major improvement in the 2025 model is the enhanced transmission system, which ensures smooth power delivery and better traction in challenging terrain. This improvement not only boosts operational efficiency but also extends the lifespan of the drivetrain components. Paired with high-performance tires, this tractor is built to handle various field conditions with ease. Safety remains a priority in the Challenger MT900 series. The 2025 model includes an upgraded lighting system that improves visibility during night operations. Additionally, advanced braking systems and stability control features contribute to a safer working environment. Operators can confidently tackle steep inclines and challenging field conditions knowing that the MT900 series has their back. Maintenance has also been simplified with easy access to key components, reducing the time spent on routine checks and repairs. The robust build quality ensures long-term reliability, making this tractor a smart investment for farmers seeking dependable performance year after year. In summary, the Challenger MT900 Series 2025 model brings together power, efficiency, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a large-scale farmer or someone looking to expand your agricultural operations, this series offers everything you need to boost productivity and profitability. With its impressive features, robust performance, and fresh look, it's clear that Challenger continues to set the standard in the world of agricultural machinery. Don't forget to subscribe to Gear Run for more first looks, in-depth reviews, and updates on the latest agricultural equipment and technologies. Stay tuned for more exciting content.